Hey YouTubers, good morning, Rob of it. Guys, we're making a pretty cool product this morning. This is going to be for people who have a really bad odor in their house, a room, or a car. And this is how you can make a odor remover that's very professional grade, high quality material. We're going to be using basically the same ingredients as the Febreze. This is an excellent product. It consists of basically water, alcohol, a fragrance remover, and a fragrance. Now, if you, let's say you have a supply chain problem or you can't get this material, you can make basically a very similar product yourself. You're going to be using distilled water, alcohol, and beta cyclodextrin. And you can use a fragrance, but I have made it several times and I wasn't successful in adding a fragrance that seemed to make much of a difference. And also, I wasn't so crazy about adding something that I'm not sure exactly what's in it when you're spraying it around in the house and you're going to be inhaling it. So it didn't seem to make a big difference. However, the company that manufactures Febreze, they have a fragrance in theirs, and it you can smell it. Where when I tried mine, it didn't make a big difference. You could smell a little bit, but not as good as like this. So it's not as going to be the same as this. However, this is the fragrance remover. So that's the main ingredient. You're going to want this. So many fragrances on YouTube, they show you how to make a room freshener. They're really just masking it with another smell. This removes the odor. This is made from corn, and it kind of binds up the molecules of the odor. You still want to clean whatever is giving you your odor. If you have a chemical or a biological material, a fat or a protein, you need to use soap and water, or sometimes maybe an alkaline solution like baking soda or vinegar and acid to remove whatever is giving you that odor. This will work, but the next day you're going to still have your odor come back if you still have a lot of stuff there that give you a foul odor. So you want to this is only it's not magic. It's going to work, but next day you may still have the problem if you didn't get rid of the source of the odor. So I've put 2 cups of water in this jar. I've labeled it, and I measured out 2 tablespoons of the beta cyclodextrin, which is approximately like about 10 grams, I would say. And we're going to add 2 tablespoons of alcohol. The alcohol works as basically a preservative, but it does help a little bit in allowing the liquid to dry quicker. When you use this, you'd be spraying it on your furniture wherever you have a smell, or and I'm not going to add the fragrance, but I'll show you what I have. This is a natural essential oil I got online. It's supposed to be very good quality, and I did notice a little bit difference. It does give a little bit of a scent to it, but not as good as the Febreze. Now, where's my stirring? The Beta Cyclodextrin, I got it on Amazon. It was about 15 bucks, but if you're using 10 grams, I think it's 100 grams. 100 grams. So you'd get about 10 batches out of this, so like $1.50. I don't have a price for the alcohol. I don't think this is light sensitive. We're going to have to stir this for just a minute or two to get it to dissolve into the water. And I already made up a batch and put it in my old Febreze bottle. I'll just put this in the cupboard. So when you're done, anytime you need a odor remover, you can manufacture your own using the cyclodextrin. If you mix this a little longer, it'll go totally clear. So this is from Chem Center, Beta Cyclodextrin. I'll leave a link to it in the video description. So if you want to make your own professional grade odor remover, I think that's the way to go. right, guys? I'll put on. Oh, by the way, I have a playlist of other chemical formulas for the house I've made over the years. I've I think I got the longest running variety channel on YouTube. Make new videos every week on different subjects for 17 years, once a week. So all sorts of stuff in my playlist. The ones at the bottom of the video on the on my homepage for my channel. All right, guys, take care. See you out there.